Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a resume in Canva in 2026. Let's get started. First, open Google and search for Canva. Then press enter and click on the official Canva website from the search results. If you already have a Canva account, log into your account. If you don't have an account, sign up using your Google account. Once you're on the Canva homepage, click on the search bar and type resume, then press enter. You'll see many professional resume templates. To explore more templates, click on the See More button. Browse through the available designs and select the template you like the most. Click on the template to open its preview page. On the preview page, you can scroll down to see more templates with similar designs. When you found the one you want, click the Customize this template button. A new editing page will open where you can fully customize your resume. You can edit your name, contact information, education, work experience, skills, and any other details. You can also change the font style, font size, text color, and make your text bold or italic if you want. If you like to add your own photo, click on the Uploads option. Upload your picture from your computer and replace the existing profile image. You can also add more text boxes, icons, shapes, stickers, or other design elements to personalize your resume. Adjust the layout until you're satisfied with the final design. Once you've finished editing, click on the Share button in the top right corner of the screen. Then click Download. Choose the file format you want, such as PDF for printing or PNG if you need it as an image. Finally, click the Download button. Canva will take a few moments to prepare your file, and your resume will be downloaded to your device. And that's it. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.